Today, I want to talk about an important idea. Your activities show your future. Many people think the future is decided by luck, money, or background, but the truth is simple. What you do every day slowly creates your future. Your habits, actions, and choices are like seeds. If you plant good seeds, you will get good results. If you plant bad seeds, the future will also be weak. The future is not far away. It is being built by what you are doing right now. First, let us talk about daily habits. Small activities may look unimportant, but they are very powerful. For example, if you spend 1 hour every day learning English, reading books, or watching educational videos, after 1 year, your skills will improve greatly. But if you spend hours scrolling on social media or watching useless content, your future skills will stay the same. Your daily habits show what kind of person you will become. Second, your use of time shows your future direction. Everyone has 24 hours a day, but not everyone uses time wisely. Some people use time to learn new skills, exercise, and improve themselves. Others waste time complaining, sleeping too much, or waiting for opportunities. Time never lies. How you use your time today shows where you will be tomorrow. Third, your learning activities shape your future career. Students who read, practice, and ask questions usually succeed more than those who only memorize. Workers who upgrade their skills, learn technology, or improve communication often get better jobs. If you stop learning, your future stops growing. Learning is not only for school, it is for life. Next, let us talk about the people you spend time with. Your activities include your conversations and relationships. If you spend time with motivated people, you will become motivated. If you spend time with negative people, your future mindset becomes negative. Your environment influences your actions, and your actions shape your future. Another important activity is discipline. Discipline means doing the right thing even when you do not feel like it. Waking up early, studying regularly, saving money, and exercising are disciplined activities. People with discipline usually have strong and successful futures. Discipline today becomes freedom tomorrow. Your choices during difficult times also show your future. When problems come, some people give up, while others learn and grow. If your activity in hard times is to improve yourself instead of quitting, your future will be stronger. Challenges are teachers, not enemies. Finally, remember this: the future is not built in one day. It is built little by little. Every action counts, every choice matters. If you want a bright future, change your activities today. Start small, read more, learn daily, practice good habits, choose growth over comfort. In conclusion, your activities are like a mirror of your future. If you want to know where you are going, look at what you are doing today. Change your actions, and you will change your future. The future is in your hands, and it starts now.